We use an airbag in our hitch. That allows us to tune it. So for light trailers, you're going to use less air. Heavier trailers, more air. I like to think of this like setting a radio, finding that perfect dial for your station. As you come up to it, it's weak. Pretty soon it's real strong, and then it goes away. So we're looking for that strong signal. A little bit of testing goes a long way here. Once you found the sweet spot, you can keep coming back to it. So we set these hitches out with about 20 pounds of air typically, and that's exactly where this one is. I know from experience this is a fairly light trailer. I'm going to drop the air pressure down to 15 pounds. That's always a good starting point. There we are, 15. I'll bet that's going to be pretty dang close for this trailer.